watch him, he'll sneeze right in your face.
Gotta shake your paw. That's right. Oh, he was like, no. No love. Lucky loves on everybody.
You're just oh. Luck's a good old boy. He loves people. He's a good kid. If you can ever get past the chewing, they make wonderful dogs. They teeth on everything.
So do Dalmatians.
Several years.
Dalmatians.
Are you videotaping?
Several
I was, because she was playing with him and it was just cute.
Okay,
Hey.
Nope, now he wants to come get some love.
He's like, I want some loving from Mama.
Hey, I want to get some.
No. You alright? You can do it. You can get out there on that bike and do that.
Look, Lucky wants some loving.
You fall down and get right back up. No, don't do that.
Lucky wanted some
Doing
loving.
that bicycle didn't make you fall.
Lazy
See
enough.
how I can do it. See if I can guide.
You're so crazy.
Get over here and pick it up and do it again. Stop. No, if you fall off, you do it again. Just get up and keep on doing it. Practice makes perfect. You learn from your mistakes.
Hey.